Yes, I'm the loser that did not watch Squid Games. Pero minarathon ko ang Season 1 and 2 and here are my thoughts about Season 2. Possible spoiler warning. Sobrang bitin pero I think sinadya nila kasi Season 3 is the last. Mas star-studded siya compared to Season 1 but I think mas nararamdaman natin yung intensity ng games ng Season 1. Yung second game kasi dito sa Season 2, ang weird. Though mahirap siya, hindi ko naintindihan bakit kailangan lagyan ng music as the players were fighting for their lives. Medyo nakaka-off kasi as a viewer nawawala yung takot mo kung anong possible na mangyari sa kanila. Tapos chineer pa nila yung success ng ibang players. Eh di ba magkakalabang kayo? And I gotta mention lang, grabe yung character ni Top dito. Di ko alam what they were going for eh. Cringe, bully, villain, but I guess they went with the legend Thanos. I liked it. Oh, and yung police didn't do anything. Sobrang build-up lang siya this second season. Totoo lang, wala siyang ambag. Anyway, Season 2 is still good. You can watch both seasons of Squid Game on Netflix.